Hello everyone, I am Selvi, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. The subject code is 22CS201 Data Structure. Second semester, Unit 2. The topic we are going to see is stack. So the overview of the PPT, which I'm going to explain, is the design, use, and operation of the stack, and implementing stack using linked list data structure, and also understand the operation of the stack. Before going to know about stack ADT, we should know what is meant by a data structure. So data structure is used to store and organize elements in the memory. So you have two types, linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So stack will come under non-linear data structure. So in linear, we will see linked lists and array. So stack, so you are arranging the coins one after the another. So this is an example, real-time example of stack of coins and a stack of books are arranged. This is the computer stack. So this is how the memory blocks will be arranged. So the principle followed by stack ADT is lost in first out. So which is coming, getting into the stack at the last will come out first. A variable top will hold always the value of top of the stack. First, we are going to see the basic operation, basic stack operations. So there are three operations: push, pop, stack, top. The work of the push operation is to add an element into the stack. The work of the pop operation is to delete the topmost element in the stack, and the stack top variable will hold the topmost element in the stack. So this is an example diagram for showing the operation of a stack. So here is the stack. We already have two data. Using push function, you will be adding the data, the gray part. Using push function, you will be adding into the stack. So now the stack has three values. So the top holding, initially the top holding the value of the second element. Now the top is holding the value of the third element. So this is how the push will work. So the parameter will be passed to the push operation will be the data which is going to add. So to work the method for push operation, first it will check whether the stack is full or not. If the stack is full, we cannot add an item into the stack. Otherwise, if the stack is not full, we can add the data item on the top of the stack. Next is pop operation. So see here the stack has three items in the stack, and the top holding the topmost item. That means this gray part is the last item is added into the stack. So using pop function, I'm going to delete the topmost element in the stack. So there is no need of parameters to be passed for pop operation, because it's going to delete the topmost element mandatory. The condition you have to check is whether the stack is holding the data or not. That is to check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, you can't delete an item in the stack. So it will break, the function won't work. Otherwise, we will be delete the topmost element in the stack. So after deleting the topmost element, that is the gray part, the remaining element in the stack will hold the two data value. Next is stack top operation. So stack top operation will return the data value of the topmost element in the stack. So it won't pass there will be no parameter to pass through this function. So it will check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, it won't return any value. Otherwise, it will return the top element value. Now, this is an empty stack. During step 1, the stack is empty. Using push function and adding the item green into the stack. So the push function will pass the parameter green and it will check whether the stack is full or not. So it return false because the stack is not full. So it will add the green to the stack. Next again, push function, I will be adding blue into the stack. So the blue will be added over the green. In step 3, I'm going to pop. So the topmost element in the stack is blue. So this will be deleted from the stack. And I'm again push function. I'm going to add the red data into the stack. So red will be stored on the top of the green. So green is at the bottommost, but it is the first data item we have added into the stack, but it will be at the last to come out. Next, stack top. So it will return the red. So it won't pop out the item. It will return the red data value to the stack. It will return the topmost value to the stack.